from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Friday. For Henry, Shelby, Franklin, Scott, and Harrison counties. What? South winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts 55 miles an hour expected. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. Wind gusts in and out of convection could exceed 65 miles an hour. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you